talk about organizing your brand assets for maximum efficiency. So you might be asking yourself, why do I need to organize my brand assets? And maybe you're even asking yourself, what are brand assets? Like, do I even have them? Well, yes, you do. Brand assets are your content videos, testimonials, your bio, email sequences, ad creative, headshots. You get the picture, right? It's important to keep them organized so you can easily find it when you need it. Like if you're going to be a guest on a podcast and they ask you for your bio and headshot, you know where to find it, right? Or like the other day, I got a new membership platform. I went from Kajabi to Teachable, and I needed to bring in my beginning ads course in there, right? So I went straight to the folder and I was able to upload all the videos and all the downloads to the new platform. And it took me like a whole 2 seconds to find it. And I was able to set up an 8-module course inside the new members area in less than an hour. Crazy cool, right? So where do you start? First, figure out where you're going to keep everything. I personally use Google Drive, where everything is in nice and neat folders and subfolders, making everything super duper easy to find. So like, for example, on my courses, I had like the course, right? So I have all my products, then I have each product inside that, right? And then in each product are subfolders. So I literally have like logos as one folder. Then I have module 1. Then inside module 1, I have all the different lessons, and each lesson has everything in there. So all the downloads, the videos, my scripts, anything like that is all inside that subfolder. Super easy, right? This means that I can have one person that is brand new to the company come in on the team, and I can say, hey, go find this, and they can find all this stuff, and it'd be like, oh my gosh. So that would save everyone time, a little bit of heartache, right? Because they won't need to be saying, oh, I don't want to ask her, and then they won't have to waste my time and asking me where it's at, right? And I can even go one step further, which I do, and I put the links in the Google Drive or to the asset within the folder on the project board in ClickUp. That definitely increases the efficiency, because then it documents everything for the future reference, right? It's kind of like, even for this podcast, I was like, okay, where are my notes for the podcast? Let me just go right in there and click on that Google Doc. I didn't have to go into Google Drive, find the folder, then find the episode and all that good stuff. It was literally like one click. So think about it. You have a visibility board in ClickUp, right? And when you get booked for the podcast or for some speaking gig, and then they ask you for the bio and headshot, you can just go and click on that link and it opens right up to it, right? So here are some must-haves for your organization. Passwords. I recommend 1Password. That's what I use. I know some of my clients also use LastPass. Those are the 2 most popular that I've heard. Client testimonials and case studies. Your podcast, right? If you have one. Social media content, blog posts, your brand kit. So we're talking logos, your color codes, like your hex codes, your fonts, all that good stuff. Visibility. So what are headshots, your bios, like maybe your one sheet, right? A media archive. So link to any articles, interviews, or any feature media coverage. And then also your products, right? Your course videos and any assets inside there. And then any launch assets are also really good to have set up. So email copy, sales copy, ad copy, images, your slides, your notes, all that good stuff. Let me know what platform you're using to organize all your brand assets. Let's grow your business together.